makinig ka sa akin. Ganto ka, ganto. Ganto. Ganto, sarado mo. Tapos gano'n, Calix, oh. I'm a boy. I'm a boy. Gano'n, I'm a boy. I'm a big, big boy. I'm a brave, brave boy. I love boys. Ay! You love boys? Okay, the reason why I asked Calix is because he is going to be my junior magician, Calix. Tingin ka muna sa kanila at ayusin natin yung hair mo, ha? Para pogi ka. Ayan. Huwag niyo siyang tawanan, inaayos ko lang yung hair niya, okay? Nothing's funny here. Bakit? Bakit? Malaki sa buhay. Listen, this is not just a big comb. It's what we call a time-saving comb. Because with this, you can comb two heads at the same time. See? Oh wait, there's more. There's domestic. Calix, Calix. Ganito ka, Calix. Ganyan. Tapos ganyan, tapos ganyan ka. Ganyan. Ganito, ganito. Yan. Tapos ganyan ka, ha? Oh. Yan, Calix. Bibigyan kita na shake. No, gentleman, gentleman. Wait. In order for Calix to do magic, he needs a magic wand. Meron kang magic wand. Papahiramin kita, pero ingatan mo, ha? O, ganun may kamay mo. Ganyan lang. Ang linis, ha? May ice cream pa. Ganun ka, ganun. Ganun lang. Tapos, Calix, I want you to use your right hand. Ganito mo, ha? Ganun may magic wand, ha? Ikot mo na ganyan, ha? Okay? Hawakan mo. Tapos, ikot mo na ganun. Ikot mo, Calix. Ikot mo yung magic wand. Ba't mo sinira? Okay, don't worry. I can fix this. Here, Calix. Ikot mo lang na. Dahan, ha? Sige. Like that. Go. Wait the magic wand, Calix. This is a magic wand, not nunchucks. Okay. Meron ako mas malaki rin yung magic wand, okay? Iikot mo lang malakas. Okay? Pag bigay ko sa'yo, ikot mo hagod mo malakas. Ready? 1, 2, 3, ikot mo lang. Ito na lang. Ito, pinakamatibay na to. Hindi mo na ito masisira kasi gawa to sa bakal. Alex, no. Just leave it right here. This time, he won't be able to make the magic wand because it's... Oh, sorry. Let's put it here. Good. Now, we can continue because... Clip it here. Good. Now, we can proceed because... Alex, here. Keep it. Good. Now... Right hand. Hawakan mo. Ipit mo lang yan. Now, wave the mat. Dito. Hawakan mo dito. Wave the... Calix, ikot mo na lang lahat sabay-sabay. Ganon. Ikot mo. Ganon. Ikot. Tapos, Uy, teach me how to go. Wait. Nahihirapan si Calix. Alam ko na. Wala siyang magic powers. Bibigyan natin si Calix ng magic powers. Okay? Bibigyan ka ng magic powers, ha? Hawakan mo na yung kamay ko. Huwag mong bibitawan, ha? Hawakan mo mabuti, ha, Calix, ha? Hawakan mo yung kamay ko, ha? What? Hindi niya pa rin maisip. Ito na lang gamitin natin, ha? This is the river. What color is this? Orange. Hold this with your right hand. Okay ka lang? Ha? Calix? Iniisip niyo pa rin, Left hand. Yan. Sa akin, yellow at saka blue. Follow me, Calix. Hands on your knees. Bend your knees. And do this. Now, baby hands forward. Up. Down. Now, put your hands to the right. Sa right. Ito, sa right. Right. Tapos gano'n ka, Calix. Ito. Yan, ganyan. Tapos gano'n, Calix, gano'n. Move 2 steps to the right. 1. Gano'n. 1. 2. Isa pa. 2. 2. From now to the left naman. Dito naman sa left. Ito. Follow me. 1. Ito. 1, 2. Ganyan. Okay, ready? Ready ka na guys? Kailangan lang namin. Commercial. Music please. Ready, Calix? Go. Wala pa. Ito.
Shining in the sun.
Magic music. Sorry, Calix. Let's be serious na, ha? Calix, ganito. Calix, ganito. Ganun mo, ganun. Tapos ganun. Oh, pagsamahin mo. Tapos sirain natin. Ah! Sirain mo. Pinaghiwalay mo lang eh. Oh, ganun, sira. Oh, ah! Oh, sirain mo. Oh, ah! Go! You have to repeat. Again. Oh. Hold it first. Oh, like this. Ah! Isa pa. Ah! Oh, get this. You hold this. Crumple it, Calix, like this. Crumple it. Like this. Put it on your left hand. Good. Now, Calix, follow me, ha? Get on. Look at the camera, smile. Good. Now blow your hand. Calix, blow. Get the paper. Tapos open it. Buksan mo. Go. Open it. There. As you can see, both Calix and I have a very, very wonderful hat. I'm gonna give my hat to Calix. Then Calix, yung ginawa mong hat, lagay mo sa ulo ko. Ito yung hat ko. Nasaan yung isang hat? Where's the hat? I gave you a very, very nice hat. All you can give me is a flower? What do you think of me? Clap yes for Calix! Because of that, Calix, I'm going to give you a very, very nice prize. Wow! Look at this one. It's a blue light sword. Wow, you like this? My son too. Gusto nito ng anak ko. Okay, for you, Calix, for my son. Thank you. Clap hands for Calix. This is for you. Okay, again, clap hands